Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow.
Hey guys, it's Tahlia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm giving this room a makeover. I've been meaning to do this video for so long, but something or the other would just creep up. I am so glad that this video is about done because God knows that this has been a process. Anyway, my aesthetics is more towards minimalism and I wanted this room to represent the person that I was. I can tell you that this room is starting to look the way I want it to. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So to give you a brief idea, this room is a 99 square foot small bedroom with 2 doors, 2 windows and no closet. So I had to come up with an idea to squeeze in a decent sized closet, a queen size bed without compromising the space and cluttering it. So after a bunch of drafts and endless scrolling on Pinterest, I found just the right stuff for this room. So once my room plan was ready, I found some local carpenters to custom make the closet, the bed and some other furnitures for the room that I thought were needed. I moved into the room a couple of months ago with the things that I had, and this is how it looks right now.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language.
Once after the plan was ready, I chose a color scheme and started accumulating all the essentials in decor like an ant from online shops and local stores. Once I felt like I had everything I needed, I got down to business. One thing I knew for sure was that I wanted the room to look bright. So I mindfully bought everything from the laminates to curtains to the sheets of bed in white.
Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be dancing in the corner, sleeping on my shoulder. You can come and have.
I found the string lights, also known as curtain lights, to go with the white curtain. I definitely lost a lot of brain cells trying to untangle them, but it was totally worth it.
If you got it bad like I got it bad for you, let me tell you about the way that I've been thinking about us. Yeah, you wanted honesty but couldn't find someone you could trust. So let me be your go-to. I could be the one who gives you everything you want and more. I've been sitting on the sideline, waiting till the time's right. There's something about this moment, feels so pure. So I gotta know if you got it bad.
Yellow is one of my favorite color and I wanted to incorporate it in the room somehow. So I found this yellow throw on Amazon that went perfectly well with my all white bed. It definitely adds more warmth to the room and makes it look more welcoming.
Like I got it bad for you. So give me your moment, show me the baby.
I also managed to find this Hayden style small side table on Amazon. It was easy to install, looks damn cute and is perfect for a tiny space like this.
If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. I wish I could fall in love with you another day. I'm missing a couple words that I should probably say. There's no point in trying. I'm sorry to cry. I wish I could fall in love with you another day. I don't wanna keep you here waiting. Wish I could make it okay right now, but I got nothing to say right now. To tell you the truth, if I was you, I'd be running away right now. Wish I could make it okay right now, but I got nothing to say right now. To tell you the truth, if I was you, I'd be running away right now. I wish I could fall in love with you another day. My heart is a cloud, it always tends to float.
I wanted a chair that would go perfectly well with my tiny bedroom, and that which could be repurposed both as a desk chair and a chair for my reading nook. So I bought this kitchen counter chair from Amazon because one, it has a sturdy base that would be perfect for the reading nook, and two, it is lightweight, so it's easy to repurpose it as a desk chair. It came with a manual, so I found it super darn easy to install it.
Wish I could make it okay right now, but I got nothing to say right now. To tell you the truth, if I was you, I'd be running away right now. Wish I could make it okay right now, but I got nothing to say right now. To tell you the truth, if I was you.
I kept thinking for a long time whether to have a poster or a painting above my desk area. After much contemplation, I decided to go with one of my paintings as I thought it would add a personal touch to the bedroom. Lastly, I added some finishing touches like this yellow pillow and fairy lights and called it a day. So this is how the room looks when you enter it. I especially like this side of the room better as it looks really clean, neat and very minimal. To the right side of my room is my washroom. I actually wanted to paint this entire door completely white, but I'd probably have my ears chewed off if I do that, so that's staying put for now. And then next to the door in this corner is where I keep my chair when it's not in use. I just love to sit here and read some of my favorite books. I also sometimes sit here and look out of the window like an old lady. And then right here is my ladder that I got made from leftover beading wood from the construction work. I really like the idea of having a ladder because sometimes there are clothes that are too early to the laundry and too late to the closet. So this is where they end up. I also hang my face towels, bath towels and stuff like that. I also decided to decorate it with some fairy lights because why not? Next to my ladder is my bed. I think this is the best part of my room. I love the color combination and this side of the room looks stunning. This is the IKEA design of sofa cum bed, but I got this made locally because IKEA in India is just getting started and it delivers to a handful of cities. Anyway, it opens up into a queen size bed when it's needed. I still need to get another mattress for this, but this is working good for now. When I don't need it, I just push it under and then it stays there like it's no one's business. Above my bed is this floating shelf that I have tried to keep as minimal as possible. I have kept some fox tulips in a small glass vase that used to be a milkshake bottle that I thought was too cute to throw away. Then there is my ukulele that I only sometimes play in a huge coffee mug pot with some fox creeper. I will probably eventually replace it with my pothos, but for now this is how it looks. And then right next to my bed is this Hayden style side table where I keep my phone, hair stick or hair tie, my eyewear and stuff like that before I go to sleep. On this side of my room is my tiny closet with this big ass mirror. A lot of people actually think that the mirror is for vanity. I mean, sure it is, but the real reason behind installing them was actually to increase the amount of light in the room, and it does do a pretty good job. The light from the two windows fall onto it and it illuminates the entire space. I also read somewhere during my research that huge mirrors create an illusion of a bigger space. I guess it's working because the room doesn't look cluttered at all. And right next to my closet is this bookshelf. Now when I was designing the room, a bookshelf was something that I did not want to compromise on at all. I love reading and I wanted a place for my books in my room. I simply color-coded the books before I arranged them and then kept some more decor items like this music box that a friend gave me for my birthday, this bowl of potpourri for some good fragrance, and then some more plants and green for decor. Next to the bookshelf right above my desk area is this painting that I did. I couldn't actually decide on what I wanted on this wall until I actually finished this painting, which I think brings the whole room together, especially the color combination goes really well with the concept of the room. And right under it is my little desk area. I got a folding table installed by the local carpenters as I wanted to keep the space uncluttered and open. I just unfold it when it's needed, which is pretty easy. Bring in my chair and my workstation is ready. It is right next to the door and the light from the two windows fall right onto it, so there's plenty of light for me to work under. And when it's not needed, I just fold it back and it fades away into the wall like it's not even there. So that's my whole nest where I read, rest, create and enjoy my solitude.
So that was the whole room makeover and room tour video, guys. I hope that you really liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I make videos on beauty, fashion and aesthetics. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye!